Govindan Illam Co. Manivannan MA MPhil 2/72B Tilagar Nagar Vilandai House front yard to cycle. These people are cooking for that lunch time. This is a hall, living hall. This is that living hall. This is one room and another room. Jawaharlal Nehru, M.B. Ramachandran, Kalaignar, and Dr. Ambedkar is along with my parents, and repair TV, Kalaignar, Kamarajar, Annadurai, Jesus Christ, and that is some of the children. Our எங்களை தப்புகிறோம் இன்னும் தப்புவிப்பார். Hallelujah. Sostramantavare. This is for kitchen room. Kitchen room, cycle, new cycle, and all system of making butter, flavor, and old bureaus, some of that portrait. When I fixed 20 rupees in the photo of my father, I have got 200 rupees in some other place, because he is in conditions not to get from me. He used to give. One bird is flying. This is that backyard of my house with a young lemon plant, tamarind plantation. Its growth is supporting. There it is, one lemon young plant. This is called as drumstick tree. Some plantation and birds planted. We have collected 10 more bunch of bananas from this. Still it is and coming up from this place. My roosters are making sound regarding with this. Here it is young coconut plantation, and lemon fruits which is in that lemon plantation. I have brought very small plant, very small, only for that 4 inches height. Today it's grown and used to give many fruits during the summer days. My children and wife used to and take the lemon juice, lemon fruits, lemon pickle, and many more things. Here it is some varieties of that gooseberry plantation. Here that young tender chili plant. Chili is also having. Here it is also one more lemon plantations in front of the house. I have planted and mango and many more things. I have and followed and implemented these things as per the suggestion of Nammalvar, one organic scientist. Suggested me you have to grow drumstick tree, lemon trees, and flower, and also many medicinal plantation in your house locating place. Here it is a honeybee also. I will not disturb. They will come and make honey queues, and they will go. And every year we did not disturb them. We will not disturb them. They will sit and agitated. They are also part of our fluid and hope. And this is front yard of this house. entrance always. Once I was affected with COVID-19, I used to take rest under this. I did not go to hospital because I heard about that mango trees we used to grow and pure oxygen that will solve all our problem. Now and the daughter is sitting after wearing the new and dress and feeling that with jubilant mood and preparing this and also shirt and many more things. The partitionary is in Tiruchirappalli, my brother, young Goa trees, and the rooster is also majestically is here. Yesterday, some of the blind bike riders and killed one of these and the young blacky hen birds. Hen birds killed. I purchased part 4, but remaining 2 only. And this is the entrance of this. This is roadside. One of this grand lady is coming in front of lotus and pond is there. Riding in that place and jackfruit tree. We should not share the fruits with all the people unless they will get some kind of problem. Gooseberry plant I have fixed here, it will grow. I have the hope. This is called Pusara Maram. It is costlier than that teak wood. There one there and the corner and many places and jackfruits. Getting jackfruit must grow in that highland where there is no waterlogging places, and it is one part of the branch and missing from this and go and guava fruits is in that place and guava fruit, lemon, wild lemon. The people did not clean the staircase. Water, some of the insect is also growed in this place. So the young we can get guava fruits. I decide to plant some agriculture. The people is not cooperate me, helping me to grow the plantation here. This is that, but only weed and weeds are grown. Once upon a time we used to cultivate this brinjal, eggplant in this. These are not supporting and maintained that. That's why everywhere there is weed and grow in all basket garden. Garden in that place, the full of how much fertilities and water is utilized by them, but they are spending in the house only, but they are not cooperating to and plant this. So many leaves are there. If we sold it more than 500 rupees, I can sell, but I will not sell. I will not use for eating and many more things. For this, they will give banana to me. Here it is for the lemon fruits, lemon. So lemon and mango. It's a very delicious and tasty mango. It will be. I hope this year she will give more fruits like guava fruits and lemon fruits and jackfruits, and coconut will come uh, in its own time. Very good, nice place. But I must put the plantation. It should be removed and renovated with that new plantation from here. That is important, my dear. The front, it is only for economy and shadow. We can, by growing trees, we can get pure oxygen, and that rooster, hen and cock and removed all the insects and many more things. area, young people had come to burst the crackers in this place. We will go and come back regarding this. Used to water and many more places. Deepavali, Allah happy Deepavali. Going how nan nasty. Yelai. All are getting some kind of fear regarding with this. Okay. Now I am getting to that house. They have rights to burst crackers during that time. I would like to stay the sum of the insects before at the time of going. Okay. That is to switch off this taking videos in this place. சிங்காசனத்தின் மேல் வீற்றிருக்கிறார் இவர்களுக்குள்ளே வாசமாயிருக்கிறார் சிங்காசனம். So I have this some hope about upon that Jesus Christ rather than any other goddesses of this world is very important, and now I decide to wind up the one called this Kalanger, and some of the things. M.G. Ramachandran, he is my beloved and very good, nice actor, former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. To sing his song only, but that's why I have got and living in this place, and Jesus Christ is my God, and He will help me a lot to continue my life in the second innings in this part from here. We used to pray in this regard and many more things to from here. Thank you for giving me this. This is a front part of this. Say, the gentleman is make a sound here. Make a sound. Make a call-in sound right now. I want to record your voice and many more places because I am lover of that nature and that puja days. Then after it will come powerhouse and many more things.